Oh man, my plum tree that I grew from seed is finally flowering, and that makes me happy. Hey everyone, it's Rob the Backyard Gardener, and I'm giving you guys an update on my plum tree that I grew from seed. The last update, believe it or not, was at month 51. And now that we're going on 6 years and 3 months, basically, I guess almost 6 years and 3 months, but that is 75 months. It's almost been 2 years. It's been 1 month short of 2 years since the last update on this bad boy. And man, is it flowering. I'm super excited. It's right behind me. Let me get this camera turned around. Let's take a look at it together and see what we got going on. So here's the plum tree I've grown from seed. December 25th, 2017, I started this bad boy, and I started 4 seeds. 2 actually became little saplings. 1 ended up dying. It looked like a peach tree, as you guys saw. But this one, finally, after 6.5, almost 6.5 years, 6 years and 3 months, didn't get any flowers any of the years, and now there are tons and tons and tons of flowers. Holy cow. So I know this is the first time this tree has put out blossoms and flowers. So I would imagine that many of these will not get pollinated. And by the way, all of my peach trees grown from seed are flowering, every single one of them, including the one back there, the one right here, the one right here. I've got more on the other side of the yards. We'll get to those when we get to them. But right now it's about the plum tree. And yeah, there are a ton of flowers. Obviously, it'll be nice if a lot of these do get pollinated. I haven't seen any pollinators out here yet. Typically, we already have them, and I'm not seeing bees swarming around any of my plum trees or my peach trees. Sorry, not seeing them. So hopefully they're out here. But I forgot to take a look at this side of the yard. I've got to get everything in the ground still because it had been cold up to just a few weeks ago. And then I got sick, and so I haven't been in the yard. But I took a peek last night, late at night, and saw the flowers, and I thought, man, I got to get out there tomorrow. I'm super excited. I don't know if these are going to give me those black plums like we started with or a different variant, but I have this plum tree here, and I have another plum tree here that I bought from the nursery to try to have flowers on it and get some cross-pollination going on. So not a lot of flowers on this one. And this one, it's the 3rd year it's flowering. We do have more flowers than we've had any of the years, but still not a ton. And this tree is a grafted one. And I can't remember, I think it's called the Mentally plum, but this was from some black plums, some store-bought plums. And man, there are so many flowers. So I'm kind of excited. I will be giving you guys another update here and probably, I don't know, I guess in a few weeks to a month, once we see if any of these are pollinated and then they set fruit. And then obviously throughout the year, we'll see how many of these go from being set fruit to dropped fruit or to actually fully maturing and ripening and then having a taste test. I'm super excited to have that happen. But yeah, this bad boy, December 25th, 2017, a Christmas baby that I started. And it's the last of the Mohicans. It is huge. It's kind of leaning forward, and that's how I wanted it because the house sits up close to it, and this brick gets hot in the Texas summer and it kind of bakes the branches. So I've been kind of pruning it away, but it's starting to run into my other apple tree that I grew from seed here. And of course, all my apple trees that I've grown from seed have been flowering, but they're all producing little crab apples. We'll get that updated down the road when we get more of the other trees having covered with blossoms. Right now, they're still kind of dormant, just starting to break up. But man, this plum tree, it ain't messing around. It ain't messing around at all. And I'm super excited to see if we get some fruit sets this year. Well, I think it's going to wrap it up for this quick little update on my plum tree grown from seed. I know you guys are wondering what's going on with the channel. There's a lot to cover, too much for this video, but hopefully when I get the next update on one of the peach trees or the apple trees or any of the citrus, I can give you guys a quick update, let you know what's been going on with me. But for today's video, I just wanted to celebrate that we finally got some flowers on my plum tree. I'm super excited about that. I will keep you updated throughout this year. And yeah, fingers crossed we set some fruit and we get a taste test down the road. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, I'd appreciate that thumbs up. And as always, happy gardening and thanks for watching.